Your brand's reputation is its most valuable asset. It determines how customers perceive your business, whether they trust you, and ultimately, whether they choose you over your competitors. Every online review, social media mention, and search engine result contributes to the story your brand tells. Are you in control of that story? At Vikilinks Australia, we understand the power of a strong, well-managed reputation. That's why we offer comprehensive brand reputation management services to help you take charge of how your business is perceived online. Our approach begins with proactive monitoring. Think of it as having a dedicated team keeping an eye on your brand 24/7. From social media platforms to review sites and search engine mentions, we track every conversation about your brand. With instant alerts, you'll always be informed and prepared to act. When it comes to negative feedback, our reputation repair team steps in. Negative reviews or damaging comments can spread quickly, but we act even faster. We address concerns professionally, mitigate potential harm, and ensure your brand's integrity remains intact. Visibility is another critical piece of the puzzle. That's why we focus on SEO and visibility enhancement. By improving your rankings in search engines, we make sure customers find your business before they find your competitors. From optimizing keywords to implementing structured data, we enhance every aspect of your online presence. Customer engagement plays a vital role in building trust. With review management, we help you turn feedback into an asset. Responding to reviews, whether positive or negative, shows that your business cares about its customers. Encouraging satisfied customers to leave reviews further strengthens your reputation and builds loyalty. But we don't stop there. We use data-driven strategies to guide every decision. By analyzing key metrics like customer sentiment, engagement levels, and brand mentions, we continuously refine your reputation management plan. Every business is unique, and so is our approach. Whether you're recovering from a reputational setback or proactively building a positive image, our team tailors solutions to fit your specific needs. The stakes are high, and the digital world moves fast. Managing your brand's reputation isn't just about damage control, it's about creating a powerful, lasting presence that inspires trust and loyalty. Contact us today and get your free consultation to start building a stronger, more trusted brand. Your story deserves to be told in the best possible light, and we're here to make that happen.